Hi guys, it's day 6 of Kaggle machine learning course. So today we are going to solve string and dictionaries. So I have already solved this. So we are going to move to the notebook to discuss the logic. So here is the notebook, but I would strongly advise you to first read this part, read the tutorial, and then jump to the exercise notebook. So let's start discussing the logic. So first we are going to run this cell. Okay, we have completed the setup, and in the this cell is saying you should guess the length of A. So what do you think the length of A is? The length of A according to me is 0, because there are no string, there are no word, it's an empty string. So let's check length A, 0. The length of the A is 0. So now we have to guess what is the length of this string. So according to me, the length of this string is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, because it also count special characters like this, and it also counts space. So according to me, the length should be 7. So let's check length B. Okay, so 7. So now see this. What should be the length? According to me, the length of this should be 1 2 3 4 5. The length should be 5. Oops. Length C. Oh, 7. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah. So length of the seek is 7. Why? So it is not counting this. It is given for a special purpose, so that you can like use single the bracket like you have used here, closed here, and you have used here also. If you can print C, if you can print C, you will see that it's okay. Okay, but the issue here is, if you do like this, it's okay, but if you write like this, it's an error, because the Python is confused that you want to start here and end here, but Python is saying that you have started here, you have ended here, and Python doesn't know what it is. So there is a two way to solve this. Either use double bracket, it will take, or if you want to use single this, then you have to use uh, this. Okay, then it will work. So this is the reason the length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, D. Now we have to guess the length of this. According to me, the length of this is 3. Let's check length D. 3 because we use this to write in a multiple line, like my name is Jagjit Singh. If I run this, my name is Jagjit Singh. Okay, you will get something like this. So when you want to write a multiple line, you use this the method. Like this. My name is Jagjit Singh. Then let's move to the next part. Okay, so it is showing /n. So we have to guess a length of E. It's 1. It's taking only n. Here it is written the new line character is just single character, even though we represent it to Python using a combination of two characters. Okay, it's a single character. It will not count this slash. So let's move to the next part. Okay, so they are saying the question is, there is a saying that data scientists spend 80% of their time cleaning data and 20% of their time complaining about cleaning data. Let's see if you can write a function to help clean your zip code data. Given a string, it should return whether or not that using representative of valid zip code. For our purpose, a valid zip code is any string consists exactly five digits. Okay, so the string should be the pin code should be of 5 digit, and it's a string. So for example, we will write the pin code like 721301. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 digit. Okay, so we have to check this. So the mistake which we can do is like we can write, so most of the time we will write if zip code is equals to uh, no. So first we will find a length of a zip code is equals to length zip code. Okay, we can find a length of the zip code like this. Then we will write a statement like if zip code is greater than 5, we will return true. We will return true, else return false. Okay, return false, but this is wrong. This code is wrong. It seems right, but it is wrong. Why? Because if someone will write a pin code like 72130M, so it's a five letter string like 1 2 3 4 5, but we know that the pin code only have number, they don't have words. So if we run this code, it will say that yeah, it's a valid pin code, but in reality it's not a valid pin code. So we have a function for this, like we have wrote if string dot is digit, if string is digit, and we can take a help uh, the method to know what this function do. So is digit return true if the string is a digit string. Okay, if the string is a digit string, it will return it is true. If the string is not a digit string, it will return false. So first we have to check if string dot is digit zip, that zip code is a number, and length of the zip code is equals to 5, because we need to check if the pin code is of 5 digit or not. If both these conditions are true, we will return true, else we are going to return false. So let's run this code, we'll get right answer. Next question is, a researcher has gathered thousands of news articles, but she wants to focus her attention on articles including a specific words. Complete a function below to help her filter her list of articles. Your function should meet the following criteria. Do not include documents where the keyword string shows up only as a part of a larger word. For example, if she were looking for a keyword closed, you should not include string enclosed. Okay, so mean there should be no substring. She does not want you to distinguish uppercase and lowercase in the letter, because yeah, exactly, because the uppercase and lowercase is same. Whether you write CLOSED in the lowercase or you write CLOSED in uppercase, both mean the same. So the phrases closed the case would be included when keyword is closed, because C is small, C is caps, so it's same. So what we can do is to convert all the string into the lowercase. We can do that. So do not let uh, periods or commas affect what is matched. It is uh, closed full stop. It is closed full stop would be included when the keyword is closed. Okay, so if we have a full stop, CLOSED full stop, so it should not affect the keyword, but you can assume there are no other type of punctuation. Okay, so if there is full stop and there is comma, we need to remove that. Okay, we can do that. So first we would convert the keywords into the lowercase, keyword dot lower, and okay, first we need to see this. So for documents in document list, so we will have a document list. We have to iterate and store it into the document. So document equals to documents dot lower. We will convert all the statement into the lowercase. Then we have to do documents equals to document dot replace full stop with uh, like nothing. We will replace full stop with nothing. Then we will replace comma with nothing. So what we are doing is we are uh, deleting full stop and comma from the statement, like from the document list. Then we are going to split. We are going to split because we want to take a space. like my space name space is space Jagjit space. Okay, we will do like this. We have split it. So if uh, keywords in document word, if the keyword which we want to search, and note that the keyword is also in a lowercase. We have converted the keyword and the document both into the lowercase. Okay, if keyword in document word, okay, document word store dot append count. So store is like we have stored nothing in store, so we will append count. So count is 1. So what it will do is count is 0. So what it is going to do is store dot append 0. So we have a store dot append 0. So on a like uh, index number 0, it will store the first word. Then we will count store plus 1. Now the count is 1. So when it will get the second word of the keyword, like you are searching for uh, like the bottle, and you have a statement, and the bottle are mentioned 2 times, so it will store 2 times, like first in the index 0 and second time in the index 1. So it is doing the same thing here. Okay, so yeah, and if we will run this, so we have solved this. And next you can also see a solution or hint from here also. Okay, so here the code is bit not complex. The coding is short, but it is bit not complex. I think it should be easy to understand, but you can see this from here. So let's move to the next part. So what it is saying that now the researcher wants to supply multiple keyword to search for. Complete the function below to help her. You encouraged to use word search function you wrote when implementing this function. Reusing code in this way make your program more robust and readable. Okay. Help on function word in module main. Okay. So what we need to do is take a list of document. Each document is a string and list of keywords. Return a dictionary where each key is a keyword and the value is list of indices. Suppose a document is list is the Learn Python Challenge Casino, that is index number 0. They bought a car and a casino, that is index number 1. Casino uh, that is index number 2. Keyword is casino and they. So we will find multi-word search document list comma keyword. So casino is index number 0 and index number 1, and they is in index number 1. Okay, so we have a 2 keyword and we got the index number. So we need to code this. So first we have to iterate this like for keyword in keywords. So we need to iterate the keywords. There is a function keywords to indices. keyword is equals to word search doc list comma keyword. So with the word search we can find like the definition is here. Word search doc list keyword. Take a list of document. Each document is a string and a keyword. Return a list of the index value into the original list for all document containing the keyword. Example, doc list equals to the learner Python challenge casino. They bought a car, casino will. Word search doc list casino index 3. So if you do a word search with the key and index, you will get their index number. Sorry, key and value. You will get the index number. Okay. So we are doing the same thing here. So word search doc list keyword. We got the index number and we are storing it in keyword dot indices, and we are returning keyword to indices. So it is not very hard, and solution is also here. You can read this from here, and we are done with the exercises. If you have some not question uh, re- related to string and dictionary, you can write in the comment section and I will reply to that. So thank you guys uh, staying with me, and if you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.